You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This is my beef curry with broccoli and carrots and seasoned rice. This is the dish that I've created here today in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform in my cooking lab. So this is curry beef curry strips with broccoli, with carrots, and special Jollof style seasoned rice, the imitation of Nigerian and Ghanaian jollof rice. Yes, they use a lot of fresh tomatoes, a lot of garlic and onions, and they cut them up and they boil them down into a stew, and then they strain it, and then they use a liquid to cook the rice. Yes, that's how they do their jollof rice. But I use ketchup, of course, with some onion and scallion and basic everyday seasoning. So this is the end result of this beef curry with broccoli, carrots, and yes, imitation jollof rice, Nigerian and Ghanaian style. So this is the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So this will be my trailer. I see you on the premiere when this project is featured on the YouTube platform. Thank you so very much for your support. I see you very soon.